Right. AC on there like she far away. Alright. Whew. Hold on, was it right here? It is. Or they moving around? Okay, you know they be moving stuff around. Dang, can we get out of there? Dang, we gotta wait because we need to get over here. We gotta wait. Yeah, we just need to get over there. They will come back. All right, y'all. We're gonna come back because they got their block off. So now we're just gonna get the paint. Gonna get the paint. The paint. Grandma, my grandma, and my mom. We're gonna do white, and then my granddaddy and my uncle. We're gonna do gray. We already got the white paint. Cause we got a can of white paint in the studio, right beside the paint on the floor. Yeah, I think we still got some. Okay. Down on my face. I'm breaking out like crazy. But yeah, we're gonna get this gray. I'm gonna find this right gray though, cause you know we want a certain gray. Let's see. Alright, y'all, this is all the colors right here. Let's find a gray. So what gray should it be? We want something like too dark and one not too light. Light. Which one? This one. She said she like this one, y'all. Just a miss. Y'all like that one? Not too dark, not too light. It'll match that picture. Okay. So she said, just a miss, y'all. This is in the Ebony. All right, let's go get the paint bucket. All right. So we got the phone. Not let me say what's something. Got to find the paint. Hold on. Yeah, right here. We need exterior. So we get the high gloss. We need an interior and exterior. What's that one right there? Set. Nah, we didn't know how to get the glossy one. Yeah, we need the exterior. So y'all, this is the paint we getting, and we're gonna put the color. So we got the primer and the paint together. That's the paint that we use to paint it. Season flats. Season flats. That's a good one right there too, though. But you know it's gonna be covered up anyway with the hard coat, so we don't really need that. But they said they got the clear coat, the hard coat already made. So in one bucket. You know what I'm saying? So I want to see if they do, if they got that, because that'd be easier. Sorry, I'm on nose.
Yeah, have a good day, okay? How are y'all doing?
Good, how you doing? I'm gonna ask him, but let me see if I can find it first. If not, I'm gonna ask.
Okay.
We're gonna need some more brushes. We're gonna need something to lay on that table too. How much that is? $900. This one here $2. It's plastic. How much that? Or should we do plastic though?
But this plastic gonna get stuck to it.
That paper gonna get stuck to. We just learned that with the because we just learned that with the cardboard. Plastic will be better. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Cause then we can just cut it. You know. But this is it's two. Come in a pack? It come in two? Hold on. I'm about to say. We just need to be able to fit on that table. That round table. That should fit. It said 9 feet. So you see what time how much it is? That should be good. It's 12 feet by 9 feet.
How y'all doing?
Good, how you doing? Yes. So we getting this y'all to put on the table. Cause we was using cardboard, but it got stuck on the bottom. This is a protector. No, this ain't it. It will say the hold on. Okay, guys, we got the paint. See. And now we getting brushes. I forgot what brushes I got. I think I got them. Was it them I used?
Yeah.
Them the one I had, right? Them the good brushes right there. So I can wash the other one out. Cause we need one for the white, one for the gray. Cause the pink paint is in the other one. So we can get one of these. I can just wash the other one out for the gray. They were saying use they were saying why we just don't use a roller. I said the brush is more smoother though, so you can get every side. That's what I need right here.
What you need that for?
Your niece.
I will.
Little child is tough, honey. She a tough cookie. Tough cookie. Alright, y'all. We're going back down here. We gotta keep track though because I get the kids from school. So back. All right, let's get the right here. Right here, we need. Right here. Yep. Queen. Huh? Yeah, we need it. We got to mix that. But it be 24 hours. don't think I put no water. I think it's already mixed. Yeah, it's already mixed. So. That's what we need right there. Girl, I hate mixing. Yeah. Keep putting that stuff in there, that dirt, and then putting the water and all that stuff. But we're still gonna have to use some of the other one though to fill in.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what I was talking about. You see how you got the skinny ones, the skinny holes, and they got the big holes.
Yeah.
Which one?
I mean, it really don't matter. The holes just about the same.
No, it ain't.
Kind of, sort of.
Oh, she said these holes about the same as these holes. These holes is way bigger than these holes.
Girl. This is thicker.
Well, we need to get them, because them right here.
Yeah, this is thicker. But the shapes of the holes are the same.
Well, you gonna be able to pick them up. Because we still got some of the skinny bricks at home. But they thicker, or should we get the skinny ones? Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. We'll be back. Hold on, y'all.
So which one?
Alright, y'all. So we got 8 of these. Now we're getting the base. 4 bases. I'm gonna bring them over here.
Okay. So, let's pull 20 off the side. Right now.
Dirty. Dirty. We don't mind. They're gonna be painted anyway. God, look at the cart. Reloaded. We should got a one of them carts right there, Ty.
What?
One of them right there.
I don't know how this one.
We do want to know. Hold on. Ooh, yeah, I can't even push this. Ooh, yeah. I can't even push it, y'all. It's so heavy. We got all these bricks. Alright, y'all. We are leaving out of the stuff. Y'all look how big. Y'all can't breathe. Now we gotta load them in the car.
Lord, what a car.
And load them out the car when we get to the studio over there.
Jesus.
Ooh.
I feel like I'm exercising.
They either exercise though.
Just by pushing this car.
Look, now she got bust a turn, y'all. The car right over there, she got bust a turn.
What?
Look at look.
No.
Now she gonna fit how I was when I turn the corner to the store while they go. Yeah, I'm telling you, so heavy. No, we got load these in the car, and then we gotta go get the keys, and then unload the car. Ooh, Lord. We gotta move stuff around.
I'm about to pass out.
Let's move all that in the way. Look at y'all.
Oh.
Why don't you go ahead and push them back to the bag, ma'am? Why you going to put them in the bag?
Push me in the back where?
Back there towards the bag. You put them all the way to the front of the trunk.
Shit, why you put my way in the back? Then that's extra work. Gotta bend all over and
You
get them.
see how many we got?
Shit.
You see how many we got? Look at all these bricks.
Mm.
Let me see. Here, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Jesus. We need one of those things that go on the car. So when we hold.